Assalamualaikum viewers. So today we are going to
Exit the
different
traffic circle onto Herman Park
and
Drive.
exciting and amazing place which I haven't visited before since I have came here. So we are visiting Houston Zoo, and in zoo, as we all know, there are animals, different kinds of animals. I have already visited Zoo of Karachi, and there were a lot of excitement and amusement in the zoo because animals, all sorts of animals are present in the zoo. But today in Houston, I want to explore. I'm excited and enthusiastic to explore animals of the Houston in the zoo. So let's go and explore them, and we are almost on the way to our destination. We are about to park our car and all the way to enter inside the zoo. Today it is very crowded, although Friday is, but still there is a lot of crowd. And these signboards are already showing that where the place where you are going to visit, the signs of the place. Weather is very beautiful. Little drops of rain had already touched our windshield. Beautiful weather. Till now I had only visited most of the lakes and beaches, but zoo is something unique to visit. Most of the families, and especially families, come with their kids to explore this place, make their kids to learn about different kinds of animals, what they eat, what they love, what are their nature, and what is their history. And I am excited all about to know the history, the residents of animals, their why they are staying here. This is all raining. Very beautiful weather. So I will show you the entrance of the zoo. You can see the gate of the zoo, which is entering gate. See them, save them. This is the slogan of the zoo, and this is the beautiful art of the Houston Zoo. Let's get into it and explore more. Before you don't know, it is something very exciting that you don't know what will happen inside, and unfortunately you will be there and exploring that place. Tickets we already have. This is the ticket counter. You have to buy the tickets. It is little costly because this is a very renowned place of Houston. So basically we are member and general guest, and so we can enter from this side of lane. First we will go for checking of our tickets. This process is going on. She will scan and then she will verify, and then we will go inside.
No, let me check if the other one. They're probably gonna book it email.
Basically, they are gray crowned crane, and they are, conserved in this place. This place is natural. Have you wondered that how beautifully, naturally they have conserved all sorts of animals, and how beautifully they have created the environment of conservation of these birds. You can take the entire history of all of the birds. This is monkey. Two of the monkeys. This is the place where monkeys are conserved. I'm a little scared, but I think they don't come. And you can see the stone. At that stone, these are basically, I think, bananas. They were eating bananas. and I think people feed them. This one is sitting at the corner since a long time. So this is the cage of bear, and bears are usually wild. One more board of bear's history, and he is roaming all around. I think he's hungry. Hello. Hello. And you can see the floor. This is muddy floor, and they have designed the cages in such a way that they conserve the health of the animals, and they make a friendly environment for these animals.
He's bored, or he wants to get over here and play with you.
Finally, I am at the place where animals are kept, and their large horn always make them unique. And this is the pond, and on the other side of the pond there is a land. On the landscape, till now I have found them roaming all around the landscape. Maybe they come inside the pond if they need to have water. They just insert their horns and have water. So this is the view of the elephants enjoying the side of the pond. Inside the aquarium part of the zoo, this is fully covered, and animals and different sorts of animals are conserved here. Let's see what is inside. I can't see anything inside here, but I think description is already there, what kind of animal at each place is present. That girl is cleaning the aquarium. Basically these are the animals which are stored at a specific temperature, and they are given that, you know, the good thing about the zoo is that each and every animal has given that sort of comfort, that sort of environment. They're all necessities. But I was very excited and eager to know where the fishes are, and finally I found the place where I want to visit. This part is aquarium part of the zoo, and these are the finally I reached to the fishes. They are so pretty. And this is another heaven inside a small beautiful pretty cage. Very beautiful fishes. And I had already said to my husband that he may let me go to the place where aquarium is, but we still haven't visited. So beautiful. This is eagle, and this is the history of eagle. Bald eagles are proof that protecting animals and their habitats work. Basically these all animals are habitats of this place. And I really love the rain, making our visit more adorable. Are rides also in the zoo. This is the merry-go-round, my favorite, most cutest ride, because as we said, we feel the joy of this ride. It led us somewhere out of this world when we move all around the circle. And now let us visit the giraffe, and at that side the giraffe is there. the giraffe. So I had finally reached to the last part of the zoo, where there is rainy and we have an umbrella, and this part has lions. They are very calm right now. I want them to scream, but they are not screaming. They are very calm. That's all for today's vlog. So we will meet you inshallah in the next vlog.